Hello, good morning. I just woke up 7:50. It's pretty late. Usually I wake up earlier or Elizabeth wakes me up. But let's start right away this day in the life. And today Elizabeth is going to school, so I have to make her lunch. So you still see me in my pajama, really sexy. I'm gonna make her pasta and just cut some fruit up for lunch. Let's do it. So I just finished making Elizabeth's lunch and she just woke up. So let's go get it. Elizabeth! Huh? Hey! Buongiorno! Oh, ti ho fatto un succhino. Ciao, buongiorno. Good morning. Good morning. Should we get changed? Elizabeth is trying to get the camera. What she did? No. Stop touching it. Let's go change. Let's get dressed. You have to go to school. You don't want to go to school? Why not? You have to go to school. Okay, so Elizabeth is all ready and dressed. Her hair is done. I'm still in my pajamas, so we're gonna go do the bed. I'm gonna make the bed now, and I have to get dressed, and then we'll go have breakfast. I think it's like 8:15 now. Let's go. So I'm dressed. What are you doing? You see me? This is my look of the day, I guess. I'm not gonna put any makeup on because I'm just gonna drop Elizabeth off, go to the grocery store and stay home all day. So yeah, just jeans, little shirt. Elizabeth going crazy on the bed. And yeah, I'm sorry you're gonna see this face all day without any makeup on, but usually I don't put it if I'm not going specifically. I don't know. If I don't feel like I just don't put makeup on. Let's go have breakfast. Oh my god, look how big Elizabeth is. She looks so big. Look at this plant. He has a new leaf that is coming out. If you follow me, you know how much I love plants, so that makes me very happy. Come no scuola? Sì, mamma, dobbiamo andare a scuola. Yeah. I just have to show you how trendy Elizabeth is going out with her mini coat and 2 bags. You're the best. So yeah, we're going to school and you're gonna see Elizabeth again this afternoon when I'm picking up. That's her look, she chose it, so it's her outfit of the day. Say bye. Bye. Okay, so I'm about to go in the grocery store, but I wanted to say a few things before. And the thing I didn't really want to talk about, but it became kind of impossible, it's about coronavirus. And I feel very affected because of course I'm Italian, so you probably know what's going on in my country. It's very sad, and here in the United States nothing is really happening yet, or at least in New Jersey it's not as close to what happened to Italy, like the preventive measures. And I feel a little guilty because 2 of my friends from Italy came to stay with me last week. They just left 2 days ago. I now think it wasn't a very smart choice to have them here, and I regret it. That's why in the next couple of weeks I'm just gonna, I want to say, self-quarantine myself. I'm not gonna go out that much. I'm going to the grocery store now at 9 a.m. There's probably gonna be no one, that's why I'm going to at 9 a.m. And I'm gonna do a huge grocery, huge food shopping, because I want food for all week so I don't have to go back. So I'm gonna minimize the time I have to go out. For the rest of the time I'm just gonna work on my garden, I'm gonna shoot videos for YouTube and like little things. I'm not never gonna leave the house. I have to go pick up Elizabeth, maybe I'll bring her to the park, but at the same time I'm gonna be more careful having contacts with people, not for my safety, because if I caught it, it's too late, but for other people, like I don't wanna, if I caught it, infect anyone. Like for example, I have this shirt that I bought for Elizabeth and I have to return it to the mall because it doesn't fit right, and I'm just gonna wait until this is over. I'm just gonna keep it in the car. I'm not gonna, like on a normal week I would just go today, just drop it at the mall and then go back home, but I'm just gonna keep it in the car, and when all this is over I'm just gonna return it. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to a food store. I'm gonna shoot a little bit with my phone because I don't like to bring my camera in there, I look a little crazy. But yeah, so that was my little opinion. And I think we all can do a little something to try to contain this, that probably to us, I'm talking about people that don't have condition, they're young, healthy, it's not much. But people that maybe have cancer or people that are old, it could mean death. So I think that's important. And I'm the first one saying that I'm not perfect. I definitely did a stupid thing last week, having my friends over. It was very stupid, I admit it now. But what are you gonna do? I can't take time, I can't go back in time, but I can try be better now in the future and try to prevent more. So yeah. I'm gonna clean the kitchen a little bit. Clean Elizabeth's playroom. I mean, just not make it look nice, not clean. And then I'm gonna have lunch. And then we'll see. So it's time to have lunch. It's 12:10. I have lunch early, especially because I didn't eat much for breakfast. And since I'm home alone and I'm gonna enjoy silence, I'm enjoying being alone. I'm gonna eat in front of the TV, watching a TV show. I'm watching The Witcher on Netflix right now. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And my lunch for today is just some spaghetti with tomato sauce and parmigiano on top. Oh my god, looks so good. And later, if I'm hungry, I've been eating some chips with guacamole while the pasta was ready. And I'm gonna keep it here in case I want more later. So now I started making a new recipe for my channel that you'll see probably after this video. I'm gonna make like I think I would call it babka, but I'm not sure it's the right term. It's here, it's rising. While this rice, I'm gonna make the guest room bed because the sheets are clean and dry. And maybe I'll read a little bit because I'm reading a book I'll show you later that I really like. But having a toddler, so Elizabeth around, it's really hard for me to read. Let's go make the bed. Okay, I'm with my phone and it's 5 p.m. I'm so late to go pick up Elizabeth's school, but I was waiting for this to come out of the oven. I'm not 100% sure I like the result, but I'm gonna wait until I taste it and I'll let you know. Let's go pick up Elizabeth because it's so late. Let's go. So we're back with Elizabeth from school. And now we just got to my sister-in-law's house. We're feeding her dog this week because she's away, so we're just gonna feed the dog. Elizabeth loves Ozzy, which is the name of the dog, and she's gonna play with him in the backyard a little bit, and then we'll go back home to make dinner because it's already almost, it's 5:45 almost, so let's do it. That's Ozzy's water. Dov'è Ozzy? It's a basket. Oh, I don't know if he wants to play with the ball. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
I wash the hands.
You're washing your hands? Okay, that's enough. Close?
No, I wash them.
Yeah, that's enough. Something sad happened. and I cut the babka, and I felt it wasn't right when I was making the dough, and I don't know, it didn't cook properly, didn't rise properly. I think the yeast maybe was too old. Anyway, I'm making dinner. Elizabeth's in the other room eating an apple. For dinner I decided I'm gonna make roasted potatoes, I guess, and let's see, I'm cutting the potatoes now, and chicken, and maybe a little salad like tomatoes and cucumber salad. So I was cutting the potatoes, and Elizabeth was silent, too quiet, and she took this water bottle. What are you doing, Elizabeth?
Cooking.
Oh, you're cleaning. Yeah, she was very quiet because she emptied the bottle, half of it, on the floor. But at least she was cleaning. She found some tissues and she was cleaning the floor when I came here. There is all wet. Are you cleaning, Elizabeth? Elizabeth, are you cleaning? Okay. No, it's a video.
A video?
Dinner is over.
Oh.
Dinner is over.
I got you.
Elizabeth, let me see how you dance.
Wow, good job, baby.